How much damage can a single cough cause? What if just one sick soldier unknowingly doomed a continent? In Itzenwu-Baisha-Jo, Hernan Cortes and his men set foot on Aztec land. They didn't just bring weapons. They carried something far more deadly. Smallpox, one of his soldiers, infected and unaware, likely coughed. That single breath unleashed a nightmare. Native populations had no immunity. The virus spread faster than any army. Within a century, tens of millions were dead. The Aztec Empire crumbled, all because of a disease they didn't even know existed. If a single cough can rewrite history, what else don't we know? If you've stayed this far, you're one of the curious few. Subscribe to Swift History Lab and uncover rare facts, * for free.